How to edit close friends list on Instagram. Now let's say you want to edit your close friends list and add people to that specific list so that whenever you post something from your stories, many people will be able to see it. So all you have to do to edit your close friends on your Instagram account is to tap on this plus button right here and click on this settings right here. Now, as you can see, there is an option that says story. So you just have to click on that and you will be able to see this section that says close friends. So you just have to click on that and now you can specifically add people that you want to be on your close friends list. Let's say these people right here, or you can just minimize your circle and unselect people. Let's say this one. Now, once you're done, you just have to hit on this button right here and hit on done again. Now, all you have to do is to add something to your story and click on the close friends option. So that's how to edit close friends list on Instagram. Hope we help.